but she'd say she was a liar. She walks a wire. I tried to make her see that this was not the way of getting higher, and then she turned away. So I said, hear me now, just understand, don't get me wrong. You got to live your life, live it right, or you'll go back to the end of the line. Step it up, just do it right and go. Keep it up, just pick it up and go. Move along, get off the ground, lift it up. There is a man I know, and every place he'd go, he'd take your money, think it was funny. He'd like to get his way, he never liked to pay. The law would chase him, but he'd just run away.